Here you have a durable coffee maker by the name of Procter Silex. It is performance tested for durability and reliability. It has a 10-cup capacity with an illuminated on and off shut-off button. It is dishwasher safe for your easy cleaning. Procter Silex. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all your subscriptions and your nice comments. Don't forget to click your post notification bell if you haven't done so already. Today we're doing another unboxing, and today is going to be by a company by the name of Procter Silex. I think I said that right. Procter Silex. And this is a durable coffee maker. Durable coffee maker. Let's see what's inside. Using this kitchen knife to kind of already pre-open it. Well, not pre-open it, but kind of cut the tape off a little bit. But it comes with this little pamphlet, like a little manual inside. Comes with a little manual. And it comes in Spanish too, so if you're Spanish, that's great. A little manual inside. So it comes in a manual. Comes, oh God. Let's see. I can turn the box sideways. Maybe upside down. Be careful when you're doing this, guys. So I have to turn it upside down to get it out. When it come in, it's coming with all this plastic and stuff on it. So I guess that's to secure the little glass globe. Come with the plastic on top of it. So I'm just going to take this plastic off first. First I got to take this little tape off. Some tape right. So after you take that off, this is how it looks. And they got the actual handle. It's just a nice little simple little coffee maker from Procter Silex. It's very, very nice and cute. Nice little unboxing gift. Somebody you can give to one of your relatives, your aunts, uncles. And it has this little dial where you can turn on and off right there. This is the part where you put water in your filters. It has it where it comes. First it has this little, then I guess you just move it around and take it out. That's where you put your coffee filters in. It's a little coffee filter. So it sits securely. Oopsie. It sits securely in here. Let's see. Got it back in. Sits securely in there. You close that, and then you brew. This part right here is where it has where the cord is located at. I can't. Let's see. The thing's stuck in there, huh? Cord. This is the cord. So it has a little inch. Don't know about any I like this cord because I hate to see cords all over the place. So this will be a perfect cord for me. And then you just stuff it back in there. You really don't stuff it back in there because usually coffee makers are left on your counter and plugged in, but they're always turned off for your safety. So I just wanted to stuff that back in there to see if it stuffs back in correctly. And yeah, we unboxed this coffee maker. Proctor Silex. Proctor Silex. Nice little cute little black one. And I will put everything in the description below so you can like purchase the item. And stay tuned because there's more, because I upload videos twice a week. Okay, guys? Twice a week I upload videos. So please tune in and hit your post notification bell and just keep subscribing. Keep watching. Keep watching your girl do her thing the Gabby's way. You feel me? This video is not sponsored. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!